Under the laws of war, they should have been protected. But instead, it looks like they were targeted. Some were held captive.
Це страх, що знову повториться.
Others were killed.
От тоді ми зрозуміли, що це все серйозно, що росіяни прийшли нас вбивати.
Or left for dead.
Після цього, як викопав яму, вкидали в яму, я оказався внизу ями.
In areas retaken by the Ukrainian army, Off the Grid follows local and international teams in their search for justice.
You can build cases high up into the top political and military leadership in Russia.
Off the Grid, Wartime Diaries on TRT World.